In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scroll effect on Wix in 2025. Whether you're building a personal site or enhancing a business page, adding scroll effects can bring a dynamic touch to your web design, making elements visually engaging as visitors scroll through your pages. It's a simple process and a creative way to capture attention. Let's dive into these steps and transform your site's interactivity. First off, it's important to know that almost all elements on Wix can have scroll effects added to them, so the possibilities are quite vast. To demonstrate, we're going to show you how to add scrolling animations to a piece of text, an image, and a full strip. Let's begin with the text. Start by clicking on the text you want to animate. You'll see various options, but we're looking for the Animation and Effects tab. Click on that and then navigate to the Scroll section. Here you can choose from a range of animations. Select the one that fits your style and vision. And just like that, your text will now have a scroll animation, making it come alive as users scroll through the page. Moving on to the image, the process is quite similar. Click on the image you wish to animate. Once again, select Animations and Effects, then head over to the Scroll section to pick your desired animation. This will allow your image to dynamically appear or move as the page scrolls, adding an extra layer of interaction and visual excitement. Lastly, let's animate a strip. A strip often spans the width of your page and can be a substantial visual element. Start by clicking on the strip that you'd like to animate. This time, you'll need to choose the Background Scroll Effects tab. Once selected, you're presented with scroll effect options specifically designed for strips. Choose the effect that best complements your site's design and watch as your strip showcases smooth, compelling transitions as visitors progress through your page. Now that we've applied the scroll effects to our elements, it's important to see how everything comes together. By clicking on the Preview button, you'll be able to view your page as if you were a visitor. This is a fantastic way to make sure the effects harmonize well with your overall site design and provide the intended interactive experience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively added scroll animations to text, images, and strips on your Wix site. These enhancements can greatly improve user engagement by offering a more dynamic browsing experience. Enjoy exploring and experimenting with different effects and let your creativity shine.